centuries, they have stood as silent guardians of the desert, a marvel of engineering that defies time itself. Welcome to the mystery of the Great Pyramids. 5,000 years ago, along the banks of the Nile, a civilization rose that would change history forever. A land of gold, mystery, and infinite ambition. It began not with stones, but with the stars. Every block was aligned with celestial precision, reflecting a deep understanding of the cosmos. Thousands of workers moved millions of tons of limestone. Without wheels or iron, they defied the laws of nature through sheer human will and brilliant engineering. Layer by layer, the monument reached for the heavens. Massive ramps climbed the desert sky as the impossible became a reality. The Great Pyramid, a message sent across time, a testament to human brilliance that still stands today, guarding the secrets of the ancients. They are more than just stone and mortar. They are a testament to what humanity can achieve when we reach for the stars. The legend of Egypt lives on forever.